This video will show you how to remove the shrouds from the Onyx Recumbent Cycle, and explain where the electronic components are located. Some covers are interconnected and must be removed in a certain order. See the sections outlined on the following slides for more information. Your cycle has 3 serial number stickers. Before you begin, unplug the power cord from the wall outlet. Section 1, Front Frame Shroud. Pull the front frame shroud from the bottom, to release it from the tabs. When this cover is removed, you can access the power inlet and the power cord management bar. Make sure to carefully align the tabs on the shrouds during reassembly. Section 2, Service Shrouds. Pull the front frame shroud from the bottom, to release it from the tabs. Insert your fingers into the access holes to release the service shrouds. There are 2 access holes on each side. On each side, align the crank arm with the groove, and then pivot the service shroud to lift it off the cycle. When the user right shroud is removed, you can access the transmission set, drive belt, and drive belt tensioner. Separate parts replacement videos are available for the drive belt and pulley axle. When the user left shroud is removed, you can access the power adapter board, the lower control board, the power filter, and the generator. A separate parts replacement video is available for the generator. Reattach the service shrouds and the front frame shroud. Section 3, Front Stabilizer Shroud. The bridge is located in the front stabilizer. Lift to remove the front stabilizer shroud. And then use a Phillips screwdriver to remove 2 screws from the metal cover. You can now access the TV tuner, or the IPTV components. Make sure the metal cover is centered, and then reinstall the screws. Reinstall the front stabilizer shroud. Section 4, Upper Mast and Console Bracket Shrouds. Remove 2 screws from the earphone board cover, and then unplug and remove the earphone board from the cycle. Remove 4 screws from the console bracket shroud. Go to the other side of the mast, and lift to remove the mast shroud. Now, remove the console bracket shroud. When the console bracket shroud is removed, you can access the RFID board, which is located directly underneath the console. Remove 4 screws to remove the shroud on the inside of the console mast. After this cover is removed, you can access the heart rate board and C-Safe board. Reverse the steps to reinstall all covers. Make sure to carefully align the tabs on the mast shroud during reassembly. Section 5, Base Frame and Rear Frame Shrouds. The shrouds in this section must be removed in the order that is shown. At the front of the cycle, pull from the bottom to release the shroud from the tabs, and then lift to remove it from the frame. At the back of the cycle, loosen, but do not remove, the 2 screws at the top of the vertical seat frame shroud. Grip the bottom of the cover and pull to remove it from the frame. When this cover is removed, you can access the control board and the seat handlebar connection cables. Remove 1 screw from the user left accent cover. Slide the cover forward to unlock it, and then lift it off the frame. Repeat this step to remove the cover from the opposite side. Remove 4 screws from the base shroud. Then remove it from the frame. Reverse the steps to reinstall all covers. Make sure to carefully align the tabs on the shrouds during reassembly. Section 6, Console Back Cover. Loosen, but do not remove, the 2 screws at the bottom of the console. Use your finger, or a screwdriver, to snap the bottom of the cover towards you. Repeat this step on the other side. Guide the cover down to unhook it from the top of the console. When this cover is removed, you can access the UCB. For more information about the wire connections, refer to the video, Onyx Console Cable Connections, or the Console Connections chart, in the Onyx Console Troubleshooting Guide. Press the console cover back into place. Tighten the cover screws. Section 7, Seat Slide Cover. Move the seat to the top of the guide rail. Use a plastic pry tool to remove the seat slide cover. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove 2 screws. You can now access the LED panel. A separate parts replacement video is available for the LED light strip. Reinstall the panel and seat slide cover.